Welcome to the ultimate supercar showdown. Today, we pit German precision against British raw power in a high-stakes performance test. The legendary Porsche 911 Turbo S meets the exotic McLaren 720S, two titans of the automotive world. One empty runway and no excuses. It's time to find out which machine reigns supreme. Let's fire them up and hear those engines roar. The Porsche packs a 650 horsepower flat-six twin-turbo engine. Combined with all-wheel drive, it's a master of mechanical grip. But the McLaren is a featherweight beast, with 720 horsepower and a carbon fiber chassis. Its power-to-weight ratio is terrifying. It's time for the standing quarter-mile drag race. Drivers, prepare your launch control. The Turbo S is an absolute rocket. The all-wheel drive system lawn chess it off the line with zero wheel spin.
That McLaren is dead. It ain't gonna gather me back now.
But look at the McLaren. It's clawing back the distance at triple-digit speeds as its aerodynamics take over. It's a photo finish. The Porsche manages to hold on by a hair. Round one goes to Germany.
So
now for the rolling race. Starting at 50 miles per hour, we remove the launch advantage to see pure engine performance. On the hit, the McLaren screams. Its V8 engine is in its element, delivering relentless acceleration. This is where the 720S truly shines, leaving the Porsche in its wake as it disappears into the horizon. Speed is nothing without control. Next, we test which car can stop the fastest from high speed. Brakes on. Look at the intensity as they fight for every inch of tarmac to come to a halt. The Porsche comes to a complete stop first. Its engineering provides incredible stability under heavy braking. Two different philosophies, two incredible machines. The Porsche is the daily driver king, while the McLaren is a track-focused weapon. Whether it's German precision or British flair, you really can't go wrong with either of these supercars. Which one would you pick for your garage? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.